The Sanitaire SC679K Tradition Upright Commercial Bagged Vacuum, in its striking red hue, is a reliable tool designed to tackle demanding cleaning jobs. With more than 500 hours of commercial-grade motor life, this vacuum promises long-lasting performance, ideal for heavy-duty environments like offices, schools, and other commercial spaces. The motor boasts a power rating of 800 watts, which translates to consistent suction, making it effective for deep cleaning carpets. This model is built with durability in mind, featuring a polycarbonate hood that can withstand the rigors of tough work conditions. A large capacity shakeout bag holds up to 18 quarts of dirt, reducing interruptions during cleaning sessions. This means you won't need to stop frequently to empty the bag, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted. When it comes to maintenance, the Sanitaire SC679K stands out with its user-friendly design. The tool-free brush roll and belt replacement system allow for easy upkeep, so you don't need to spend hours dealing with complicated repairs or replacements. Additionally, the metal clip bag release system ensures that changing the bag is a simple, no-hassle process. Weighing only 12.2 pounds, this vacuum is lightweight and easy to maneuver, which makes it comfortable for extended use and effortless to transport between rooms or even buildings. Despite its commercial-grade power, this vacuum doesn't compromise on convenience or user comfort. Its commercial-grade power cord is another noteworthy feature, extending to an impressive 30 feet. This length allows for fewer plug switches, covering a potential cleaning area of up to 4,680 square feet in one go, ideal for large spaces. Whether you're working in expansive office spaces, schools, or high-traffic areas, this vacuum ensures that you can get the job done quickly without constantly moving the plug. But how does it perform in real-world use? Well, setting up the Sanitaire SC679K is a breeze. Its straightforward assembly means you're up and running in no time. During testing, it's clear that this vacuum excels on commercial carpet with strong suction lifting even deeply embedded dirt and debris. The powerful airflow doesn't waver, and the brush roll works effectively to agitate and lift particles from the fibers, which is crucial for maintaining a clean, fresh-looking carpet. Using the vacuum around furniture proved simple, though it's worth noting that its upright design, while efficient on wide-open floors, may require some shifting or adjusting when moving around obstacles. Its maneuverability on flat surfaces is top-notch, but it might feel a bit bulkier when it comes to tight corners or navigating smaller spaces. One standout feature is the bag capacity. Having that 18-quart capacity means that you can clean large areas without having to stop to empty it repeatedly. That's a real bonus for busy commercial cleaners who need efficiency. However, despite its large capacity, the weight of the vacuum, though manageable at 12.2 pounds, could be a factor to consider for those who prefer something even lighter for frequent back-and-forth transport. When it comes to noise levels, the Sanitaire SC679K is certainly not the quietest on the market. However, this is expected with the raw power it's offering. The sound is more noticeable in high power mode, but it's not overwhelmingly loud, especially considering its intended commercial use, where background noise is often expected. As for the attachments, the vacuum comes with a few key tools that can help with cleaning stairs, upholstery, or hard-to-reach spots. These are helpful for those needing a versatile vacuum in various environments. Let's talk about the pros and cons of this vacuum. On the positive side, it's tough, built to last, and offers powerful suction with minimal downtime for bag changes. The large capacity shakeout bag and the durable 30-foot power cord are both standout features that make it highly suitable for commercial use, allowing you to cover large areas with fewer interruptions. The lightweight design also makes it a solid option for those who need something portable yet effective. On the flip side, its upright design, while efficient, can feel a bit unwieldy in tight spaces, and the noise level could be a bit much for those used to quieter residential vacuums. Plus, the lack of a cordless option may limit its flexibility in certain environments. When it comes to value for money, the Sanitaire SC679K is priced as a commercial vacuum, so it's meant for environments that demand durability and reliability. While it might not be the most budget-friendly option for a home, Its performance and longevity make it an investment that can save time and energy in the long run. Compared to other commercial vacuums, the Sanitaire's price point is competitive, offering good performance without some of the higher-end features found in pricier models. It strikes a balance between cost and performance, making it a solid choice for businesses that need a workhorse vacuum without breaking the bank. If you're comparing it to similar models, there are a few alternatives worth considering. For example, the Hoover Commercial CH53005 Hush Tone is another commercial upright with a strong suction power and similar features, though it does offer a slightly quieter operation. However, it lacks the same heavy-duty bag capacity and tool-free maintenance that the Sanitaire SC679K provides. Another option might be the Bissell Big Green Commercial, which offers a similar cleaning range, but comes at a slightly higher price point. What sets the Sanitaire apart is its practical, easy-to-maintain design, and its ability to keep running for hours without missing a beat. In terms of build quality, the Sanitaire SC679K feels robust. The polycarbonate hood and overall construction are solid, and it feels like a vacuum that can take the punishment of daily commercial use. Maintenance is also straightforward, thanks to the easy-to-remove brush roll and tool-free belt changes. The dust bag is simple to empty and clean, ensuring you won't face too many maintenance headaches down the line. The commercial-grade power cord is long enough to reduce plug switching, but still needs to be managed, as it can become unwieldy when moving the vacuum. Customer service is a bit of a mixed bag with commercial vacuums in general, but Sanitaire has a reputation for being responsive and helpful when issues arise. While I didn't personally need to reach out to support during my testing, the brand generally has a good standing in the industry for standing behind its products. If you're considering a more advanced model with smart features, this vacuum does not feature any connectivity options, but its simple, no-frills design keeps it reliable and easy to maintain. It's a workhorse, and it's built to focus on getting the job done without the bells and whistles. In conclusion, the Sanitaire SC679K Tradition Upright Commercial Bagged Vacuum is a solid choice for anyone needing a durable, easy-to-maintain vacuum that can handle heavy-duty cleaning tasks. It offers impressive performance for both carpet and hard floors, with a large capacity bag and long power cord that make it perfect for larger commercial spaces. While it's not the quietest or the most versatile when it comes to tight spaces, its overall reliability and ease of use make it a smart investment for commercial environments. Whether you're managing a large office, a school, or any other high-traffic area, this vacuum can get the job done efficiently and effectively. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep your spaces clean and your vacuums running smoothly.